Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2023 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series, one of the most exciting seasons in recent memory. This series is a crucial part of the NASCAR ladder, and 2023 brought plenty of action and drama. So, let's get into the highlights and key moments of this thrilling season. The 2023 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series, presented by Craftsman, was the 29th season of NASCAR's premier truck racing series. This year marked a return to Craftsman as the title sponsor, bringing a sense of nostalgia and excitement to the series, as they had previously sponsored the series from 1995 to 2008. The season consisted of 23 races, beginning with the Next Era Energy 250 at Daytona International Speedway in February, and concluding with the Ford 200 at Homestead Miami Speedway in November. Over the course of the season, we saw a mix of veteran drivers and emerging talents battle it out on diverse tracks across the country. One of the standout drivers of the season was ZaneSmith, who clinched his second consecutive championship in the series. Driving for Front Row Motorsports, Smith proved to be a consistent contender throughout the year, showcasing his ability to perform on various types of tracks. His win at PhoenixRaceway helped secure his title, further solidifying his reputation as one of the top talents in the series. In addition to Smith, there were other notable drivers, such as Ty Majeski and Christian Eckes, who made their mark in the playoff standings. Each race saw thrilling moments and intense battles for position, keeping fans on the edge of their seats. The 2023 season also featured the NASCAR Craftsman TruckSeriesPlayoffs, a 10-race stretch that narrowed down the competition to the top 8 drivers, who fought for the championship. Some of the most exciting moments came in these playoff races, including intense rivalries, close finishes, and high-speed drama. The playoff finale at PhoenixRaceway was a nail-biter, with ZaneSmith holding off fierce competition to clinch the championship. His triumph capped off a season full of great racing and perseverance, making him a deserving champion. As always, the Truck Series had some changes in terms of drivers and teams. Teams like ThorSport Racing, GMS Racing, and Kyle Busch Motorsports made significant strides as drivers continued to adapt to the evolving competition. New talent also emerged, including drivers like Ben Rhodes and Carson Hocevar, who impressed in both regular season races and the playoffs. The increasing focus on young drivers helped elevate the overall level of competition and excitement, with many fans becoming more engaged with the rising stars of NASCAR. Looking ahead, the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series is poised to continue growing in popularity. With its mix of established stars and up-and-coming talents, there's no telling where the future will take this series. Fans can expect even more thrilling races, drama, and rivalries in the seasons to come. The 2023 season showed just how important the Truck Series is to NASCAR, providing fans with unforgettable moments and a chance to see future NASCAR stars in action. That wraps up our look at the 2023 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series. It was an unforgettable season, filled with incredible moments and a deserving champion in ZaneSmith. Be sure to leave a comment below with your favorite moments from the season, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more NASCAR content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.